Hello and welcome once again to Principia Mathematica. In today's video we're going to study how to simplify complex fractions. So, with no further ado, let's start with the first example. We have one-third plus 2/5 plus 1/30 divided by 23/30. So this is really a fraction, although it doesn't look like 1. This is the numerator, all this thing is the numerator, and this is the denominator. So we're going to start with the sum up there. So it's 1/3 plus 2/5 plus 1/30. So the least common multiple would be 30 here, and then 30 divided by 3 is 10 times 1, 10, plus 30 divided by 5 is 6, times 2, 12, plus 30 divided by 30 is 1, times 1, 1, and then this would be 23/30. Okay, so this would be 23/30 divided by 23/30. Now, how much is it? 5 divided by 5? 1. Yeah. 13 divided by 13? 1. A cloud divided by a cloud? 1. I mean, as long as the numerator is equal to the denominator, the result is going to be equal to 1. So, this is like a cloud, and this is like another cloud, but these two clouds are the same, so the result is equal to 1. Obviously, I mean, we can always say that A divided by A is equal to 1 as long as A is different from 0. Yeah? 0 divided by 0 is not 1. We're going to study what it is afterwards. So, if we wanted to work this out using the previous methods, we would divide 23 divided by 30 by 23 divided by 30, and then we apply the rule of multiplying the extremes. So this would be 23 times 30 divided by 23 times 30. And 23 divided by 23 is 1, and 30 divided by 30 is 1, so this would be 1. Okay? Let's carry on with the next example. Yeah? Two. 4 integers 1/2 minus 3 integers 2/3 plus 1/4 divided by 2 minus 1/5. So first we need to simplify the numerator, which is all this sum. So we start with this one. 1 is 4 integers 1/2 minus 3 integers 2/3 plus 1/4. So we need to turn this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So 2 times 4 is 8, plus 9, plus 1, 9. 9/2. Minus 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2, 11/3 plus 1/4. So the least common multiple in this case would be 12. So 12 divided by 2 is 6, times 9, 54. Minus 12 divided by 3 is 4, times 11, 44, plus 12 divided by 4 is 3, plus 1, 3. So this would be 54 minus 44 is 10, plus 3 is 13 twelfths. Okay, so this would be 13 twelfths divided by 2 minus 1/5. 2 is really 2 divided by 1. So the least common multiple would be 5. 5 divided by 5, 5 divided by 1 is 5 times 2, 10. Minus 5 divided by 5 is 1. Times 1, 1. So this will be 9/5. So the denominator would be 9/5. 13 times 5. Well, this will be 13 times 5 because we need to multiply the extremes. Okay? 13 times 5 divided by 12 times 9. This will be 65 divided by 108. If you want to try to simplify that home, you can try, but you cannot do it. So this is the final result. Let us try another example. One-tenth plus 1 divided by 100 minus 1 divided by 1000. All this divided by 10. So we need to simplify first the sum up here. So it will be 1/10 plus 1 divided by 100 minus 1 divided by 1000. So the least common multiple in this case would be 1000. So 1000 divided by 10 is 100 times 1, 100 plus 1000 divided by 100 is 10 times 1 is 10 minus 1000 divided by 1000 is 1 times 1, 1. Then this would be 109 divided by 1000. So this would be 109 divided by 1000 divided by 10. And then this 10 is divided by 1. So we apply the rule, and this will be 109 times 1, 109 divided by 10 times 1000 would be 10,000. And this would be the final result. Now let's try another example. 2/5 plus 3/10 minus 120 divided by 2/3 plus 1/9 plus 5/6. So once again we need to work with the numerator. So this will be 2/5 plus 3/10 minus 1/20. So the least common multiple in this case would be 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4 times 2, 8 plus 20 divided by 10 is 2 times 3, 6 minus 20 divided by 20 is 1 times 1, 1. This would be 13 20s. And now we are going to carry on with the denominator. So 2/3 plus 1/9 plus 5/6. Here the least common multiple would be 18. So 18 divided by 3 is 6 times 2 is 12. Then 18 divided by 9 is 2 times 1 is 2 plus 18 divided by 6 is 3 times 5 is 15. Then this would be 29/18. So this really is equal to 13 divided by 20 divided by 29/18. And then we multiply the extremes, and we would have 13 times 18. Okay, and then 20 times 29. Yeah, 13 times 18 and 20 times 29. Now we remember that 18 is equal to 2 times 9, and that 20 is 2 times 10. We leave the 29 alone, and then 2 divided by 2 is 1, so this would be 117 divided by 290. Okay? Now let's try another example. Or 1/7 minus 2, 1/14 plus 3 integers 1/2 divided by 6 integers 2/3 plus 5 integers 5/9 minus 10 integers 1/18. So first we need to work on the numerator, and what we need to do first is to turn all these mixed fractions into improper fractions. So 7 times 4 is 28, plus 9 is 29/7 minus 14 times 2 is 28, plus 9 is 24 divided by 14, plus 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7/2. And then this would be 14 would be the least common multiple, and then it will be 14 divided by 7 is 2 times 29 is 58 minus 14 divided by 14 is 1 times 29 is 29 plus 14 divided by 2 is 7 times 7 is 49. So this would be 78/14. And now we need to work on the denominator. So this will be 6 2/3 plus 5 integers and 5/9 minus 10 integers and 1/18. So first we need to turn these mixed fractions into improper fractions. So 3 times 6 is 18, plus 2 is 20, 20/3. Yeah? 3 times 6, 18 plus 2, 20/3 plus 9 times 5 is 45 plus 5 is 59 minus 18 times 10 is 180 plus 181 18th. Now we're going to use the least common multiple, which in this case would be 18. Yeah, and then 18 divided by 3 is 6 times 20 is 120 minus 18 divided by 9 is 2 times 50 is 100 minus 18 divided by 18 is 1 times 181 is 181. And this would be 39/18. So this will be equal to 78 divided by 14 divided by 39/18. So now we multiply the extremes, and then this will be 78 times 18 divided by 14 times 39. 78 is 2 times 39, and then 18 would be 2 times 9, and then this would be 2 times 7, and this would be 39. Okay, so 39 divided by 39 is 1, and 2 divided by 2 is 1, so the final result would be 18 sevenths. This would be the final result. So this is everything for this part of the video. So if you enjoyed the video, please press the like button and subscribe, and please follow me in the second part of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.